Families, you are a key partner in helping your child be ready for school. Let's learn together. Sort and organize things into sets and groups. Classifying objects is an important math skill for young children. They begin to notice different shapes, sizes, and colors. Have fun while you practice these skills while doing everyday tasks around the house. Working around the house together with your child? Try sorting the socks, shirts, and pants during laundry time. This child is separating the socks out of the laundry and matching them up. Have fun in the kitchen sorting foods by type, size, color, texture, and flavor. Children can put objects into groups that are all alike. This child and parent are sorting objects into groups by color. Get creative. Sort items by size, shape, smell, or flavor.
Which group?
I have a feeling you're sorting by color. Are you sorting by color? You must have color on your mind.
I noticed that you were able to sort the colors, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, why don't we try to use our egg carton to sort the colors?
Ooh, that could be cool.
Use an egg carton or sheet of paper with 2 or more sections for grouping similar things. Use small items that you find outdoors or around the house for sorting. Cubes, coins, crayons, stickers, and pebbles are good for collecting and sorting.
Now let's go with green.
Families, be sure to share what you notice with your child's teachers. They are excited to be your partner. To learn more about what your child needs to know to be ready for kindergarten, click the link below.